Hey there, fellow campers, and welcome to our campsite review of Balule Satellite Camp, south of the Olifants campsite in central Kruger National Park. After booking in at Olifants, you need to drive on some gravel road to get there. If the bridge is open, it's just under 9 kilometers of gravel. But should the bridge be closed, you will need to go back to the main road, turn south, and then follow the tar road back past the high-level bridge, which is about 18 kilometers. Here you'll turn onto the S89, where it's close to 13 kilometers of gravel to Balule. There are other roads to get there from the south, but you do initially need to book in at Olifants. The campsite is suitable for all types of typical camping setups, but owners of soft road caravans may find the distance of gravel a little concerning. Open and close the gate on arrival and departure. Sites are not pre-allocated, but it's best to check in with the campsite attendant before unpacking all your stuff. Most of the sites are on the fence line and have some view, if somewhat obscured by vegetation. The sites are on bare ground with trees, but not necessarily a lot of shade. And this makes it ideal for those of us with solar panels. Balule is an off-grid campsite, so you will need to have your own source of power and lighting. As with all Kruger campsites, there are braai facilities, dustbins, and communal taps sprinkled about. You will need a water splitter should you need a dedicated water supply. In early 2025, the ablutions were still the old-style Kruger bathrooms, with showers, a bath, hand basins, and flushing toilets. Remember to take a torch with you at night, as there is no lighting other than a few paraffin lamps that add to the ambiance of this lovely quiet camp. There is a communal open-style kitchen area with gas burners for cooking and sinks for washing dishes. Being an off-grid campsite, there is no shop, no restaurant, no laundry, no swimming pool, and of course with all of Kruger, pets are not allowed. There's a small collection of rondavels in the campsite for those who prefer not to camp. We had very good cell signal and data coverage on MTN and Vodacom, and we were able to access the bank and stream videos through our routers. The entire property is fenced and gated, and we felt totally safe there. Small buck nibbled at grass along the fence while hippos barked on the riverbanks below us. During our stay, we were not visited by baboons or monkeys, but squirrels and birds were frequent. On our game drives, we regularly came across elephant, giraffe, zebra, jackal, and even some wild dog. Balule has to be one of the more favorites for many who visit Kruger. This smaller off-grid site offers a feeling of being closer to nature than you get in the larger camps. Well, that's it for this one. Thank you for your time. Stay safe, be well, and I hope to catch you in a campsite sometime.